Welcome to London. I can't stand it. Too much.
Right now we're at the Tower Bridge in London. It's quite beautiful. It's quite hot outside actually.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chigo, and I just want to welcome you guys back to this vlog. I will be going to London tomorrow to hang out with my friends. They're coming to visit me from Dallas, and so I want to take you guys along and see all the fun stuff we get into. This might be a really long vlog, but we'll see. I'm gonna try and condense it as much as possible, but also show you guys like all the fun stuff we do. But I'm currently in Leicester, and I'm about to pack because I have a lot of stuff with me here, and I don't want to take everything with me to London. So I'm gonna pack all my stuff, and then I have to do laundry, and then I have to clean up a little bit because I'm right on my friend's place, and then I'll be heading to London tomorrow. And yeah, and so this is gonna be a very fun vlog. I'm so excited because I love London, and I haven't really explored it yet because I've just been in Leicester the whole time, like dealing with stuff and go to other places. But I'm very excited. Just a really long intro, but basically, this is the vlog that you want to watch. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, send to your friends, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, tell everyone to join the Chigo fam, you know what I mean? But yeah, so come along with me. So I actually have an update. So remember last time I told y'all I was moving, and then in my last video I said I was not moving again. I was gonna be in London for like a year. Well, that's not true necessarily, because I ended up not taking the job in London just because, I don't know, I just thought about it and I was like, you know what? It's not worth it. The time, the effort it'll take, and the pay. I'm gonna be honest, like 100% on this channel, like the pay wasn't that good. I mean, I would have loved to stay in London for longer, but it just wasn't that good. And so I had to decline the offer for the job, but I'm still moving somewhere. So you guys are gonna be waiting for that. And for me to move there, I have to get a COVID test. And so I ordered one because I'm gonna be in London for like, well, London and other places for like next month. And so when I get back, I have like 2-3 days before I have to leave. Just make sure I get a COVID test, and I have to do it before I can go to the country I'm moving. So maybe if you know what country that is, does require a COVID test, you can tell me. But yeah, this video is probably gonna upload it like really late, so you're probably gonna be like, what? But anyways, yes, so I haven't even opened the packages to see what the COVID test looks like, because in Dallas, we usually just do like, every COVID test is free, and we just do it like, you know, by ourselves. Okay, so it's basically a rapid antigen test. Sorry, my camera's acting up. It's basically a rapid antigen test. And it's instruction. I got it from Expert Medicals. If you're in the UK and need to use one, that's where I got mine from. But yeah, so this is basically what it is. I just want to show you guys. But yes, I'm still packing, and I will catch you guys in the next part of this vlog. Bye. Hey y'all, so right now I'm just about to order my Uber, and I'm heading to London today, but I decided to get an Uber because I'm not walking 10 minutes to the train station with my luggage and my Telfar bag. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm just like ordering an Uber kids here. And so I will catch you guys when I'm so excited. My friend's already here. Well, 2 of them are here, and the other 2 are landing in like an hour. And so my train's gonna take an hour, so we'll all meet up and then the fun begins. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Oh, let me show y'all my look. Let me show y'all my look for today. It's very basic. Very basic. Just the jacket I got from Google. I'm wearing sweatpants from Walmart, ASOS turtleneck, very basic. My Gucci sneakers, that's it. Hey guys! Yes, hi! I'm finally in London.
We're all making it. Oh, that's a cute camera. And it looks good.
Why does everyone literally say that every time? But yes.
Chico, come on, take that.
Everyone say hi. This is Brenda.
Hi,
Nelson. Okay, you're doing too much now. And we're just waiting for our other friends. Oh, not the Nathan Tristan. Hey, yeah! Oh, welcome to London. Yeah. Come on, Tilfar. Okay. We don't wear masks here.
Yeah,
we don't wear masks.
The place at the airport, he literally said, take your mask
Literally.
off.
They don't wear, the guy in the Uber was like, do you want me to wear my mask? I was like, you're good, I don't care.
This is so cute.
I like that, yeah. Wait, you came into...
Your back came.
No, this is the medium. Don't speak, don't talk about that, don't talk about that. Her. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been a long day. I'm exhausted. This bitches stress me out. Okay. But I'm about to go to bed because I'm tired. Not everyone's going to bed though. Some people are up to no good. I'm just kidding. But there's so much fun planned for tomorrow, so I will catch y'all tomorrow. I just want to come say a quick hi. Bye. But yeah. You want to say hi? Like, you just awkwardly?
I know.
Tristan, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. You're like, ugh. But anyways, I'll see y'all tomorrow. We have so much fun planned, and I'm gonna take y'all as many places as I can take y'all. The good thing about this camera is that no one ever notices that I'm vlogging. So yeah. See y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We lit today. We about to go out. We're going to London Dungeon, London I. But first we're gonna go eat. And let me show y'all my outfit. Show them the fit. If I can switch the camera around. Alright, I'm wearing basically the same thing I wore yesterday. And look at this bitch.
Yes,
I can't stand it. Too much. I got my Telfeezy. I got my
camel toe.
My camel toe.
Bitch, come on, bitch. Finger in the toe.
Bitch, come the fuck out. That's nasty. But yeah. So we'll take y'all along and then, yeah, enjoy the clips.
And please turn off your phones.
That's like clear you didn't come from Hyde Park.
No, Hyde Park. Hey, I'm trying to whisper because I lost my voice yesterday. But get into the look.
Yeah, she go, that's you.
What? Okay, we could be using that profanity on my channel. Oh, we'll have to bloop that out, child. That's too much. Let's go. We're running late. We're gonna miss an appointment. That's what's giving. But I'll see you later.
We were just at the Shard. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye. Just want to say I did not consent to this. She go for me to do all of this. If this ever gets out, please.
How you switch from a British and American accent?
Oh, sorry. So I actually so I was born in the UK, but I went to America for school. So like it kind of just like comes in and out. You know what I mean? Kind of like Anna Delvey.
I'm scared. I knew you wouldn't be. That's why I did that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to day 3. We hella late. It is 4:44. We slept in. We're tired. The jet lag, the partying, it was too much. I lost my voice a little bit. But some drama happened today, child. But we're gonna be good. Let's get into the look. I got my knockoff trench from ASOS, my Jacques Mutes, and my tabbies. This is Tristan's look. Okay. It's Nathan. And this is Nelson. And whoever's not here, you know who, that's the drama. Someone's missing. I hate y'all. Anyway, we'll catch y'all later. Yo, look at what Tristan got. From Harrods. It matches your outfit.
Yes, come on, green. I thought it was gonna be like green, like the full green. Yeah, no, like.